Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the group 2. Today we will present about the suggestion and prohibition with diabetes disease. For that, I will introduce our group member. The first, me Alvin Putra, and then the Irna Yulinda, Novianda, Trimerita Yuanda, and Yeni. Okay, first of all, we're gonna tell us about the concept diet for diabetes disease. How to regulate the diet of diabetic patient can be seen from the number of calories determined according to age, gender, weight, height, and activity. Limit the use of complex carbohydrates such as rice cake, bread, sticky rice, corn, potatoes, etc. Subtract the known from daily habits. Avoid using source of simple or easily absorbed carbohydrate such as sugar, palm sugar, syrup, sweet fruit, sweetened condensed milk, soft drink, and ice cream.
Questions for patients with diabetes mellitus. The patients are advised to choose the type of food or food that does not quickly increase blood glucose levels. Foodstuff or food that quickly increase blood glucose levels are said to have a high glycemic index. Apart from foodstuffs that have a high glycemic index, it is also necessary to pay attention to food processing methods because several ways of processing food can increase the glycemic index, namely boiling, steaming, and mashing ingredients. Porridge juice adds the percentage of protein and fat in the menu will reduce the values of the glycemic index, including the amount of fiber and anti-nutritional substance, tannins, and phytates. Next, prohibition related to the food and drinks. 1. White bread, rice, and pasta. White bread, rice, and pasta are the processed food. They are both high in carbohydrate. Launching whole plain white bread of bagels and pasta, which are processed flour, are proven to increase the sugar level of people with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Similar to the two foods, rice is also known to increase blood sugar. In fact, this high carbohydrate food can also decrease brain function and in people with type 2 diabetes. 2. Fruit yogurt. Yogurt is a fermented milk drink that has a number of health benefits when consumed properly. Diabetics are allowed to eat yogurt. However, yogurt with mixed fruit is not recommended for consumption by diabetics. 1 cup of fruit yogurt, or about 245 grams, contains almost 31 grams of sugar. This number shows that 61% of yogurt calories come from sugar. 3. Canned sweet drinks. Canned sugar drinks are a type of dish that these diabetics should avoid because they are high in carbohydrate. About 314 grams of canned drinks with Coca-Cola contain at least 38.5 grams of carbohydrate. The high fructose in sugary drinks can cause metabolic change that increase belly fat and potentially harms cholesterol levels. 4. Cereal. Sweet cereal are often used as food choice at breakfast. Unfortunately, diabetics are not advised to eat cereal. Most cereal contain carbohydrate and little protein, although it can make the stomach feel full longer. Cereal can increase blood sugar level. Diabetes are advised to eat another low-carb breakfast food so that blood sugar level do not increase. 5. Coffee with added sugar. Diabetes are allowed to consume regular coffee or espresso to maintain blood sugar level. However, diabetes are not advised to drink coffee with another flavor because it is loaded with carbohydrate in addition to potentially increasing blood sugar level. Flavored coffee can also cause weight gain.
Okay, thank you. I think that's all. Sorry for our mistake. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.